Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Monique and today we are cooking Kenyan mukimo. We are going to use Irish potatoes, butternut leaves, corn, onions, chopped onions, vegetable oil and salt. Now let's begin the process by boiling the butternut leaves for around 5 minutes. Cover for 5 minutes. Now let's begin by boiling our Irish potatoes together with corn, and this process will take around 15 minutes. I'm going to add some salt to taste and covering to simmer for 15 minutes. Now our Irish potatoes is well cooked. I'm going to remove the corn and drain all the water so that we begin by mashing the potatoes. We are going to mash the potatoes, and this process will take 3 to 5 minutes. Now our butternut leaves is well cooked. We are going to put it into the blender and we are going to blend. I'm going to add some water so that it can blend well. We add this butternut paste to the mashed potato and mix very well. We add the remaining paste together with the corn, and we mix all the ingredients together. We make sure it is well mixed. Now we add the fried onions, which I have already fried separately. We mix it very well. The onions will add a little bit of taste and aroma too. Now our mukimo is ready. Very delicious, very yummy and nutritious too, and very simple to prepare. Thank you so much for watching my recipes, guys. See you on my next video. Bye.